but I'm Nelly's sister, and I'm just planning to get her makeup right now. She went out, and I just got into her makeup, and I look a little. Already, I done put this concealer in. I'm just gonna finish it.
I literally know nothing about makeup, so I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea whatsoever. I'm just going with the flow and like going over anything.
Then I use this brush. I think this is the right thing I'm supposed to do. If you could you could kind of see it a little bit. And I'm just dabbing that all over the place. Hopefully, it looks even. Eyeshadow primer. Whew. We have a few different palettes here. What is this? I have no idea what this is. Stick. Oh my god. This is going to look so. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I look. I need a Q-tip. Eyeliner. I'm using the NYX liquid eyeliner. No, we're not going to do any liner. That was a big mistake. No, we're just going to wipe that off because that looks terrible. Terrible. So that messed up big time, so I'm not going to do that. We're going to just move on to the eyeshadow. We have a natural eyes palette with Too Faced. We have Tartelette in Bloom palette. And we also have this palette, which I think I might just use, is the Le Macaron Fun Size Violet Voss palette. It has more glittery colors. My sister loves glitter, so I'm gonna do the primer to prime my eyeballs. I'm guessing that's what you do. If that's not what you do, then don't come for me in the comments.
Yes, I think we should.
Okay? Cool? Cool.
Okay. Mix colors.
But overall, I think I'm pretty done. Okay? Now we're gonna do some whatever this is. I'm pretty sure this goes on your cheek somewhere. So,
And here. And right here. And on the forehead. And on your chin. Okay.
know that goes on your cheeks. And I know you have to use this brush, I'm guessing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yes, we want those cheekbones. Then I'm gonna do my lips, but I'm gonna do my mascara now. Okay. I went to go get some lip gloss. This is Victoria's Secret, just lip gloss. So, and I think I am.
I got drip for sale. 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 Got a blue 80, could've bought me a Rolex. Always bitchin', should've bought him a cold tag. Depending on how I feel, might throw me two back. Yeah, like Kodak. Yo, little bitch tryna ride my way. NBA young boy outside today. Shoe game sick, finna see my doctor. Niggas still a swag, finna call my lawyer.